Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. It's new to me. I'm going to try my hand at using alcohol inks to make a flower. I'm just learning. I've never used alcohol inks before. This is not by any means a tutorial, so I'll just tell you what I'm using and how I'm using it. It's also necessary to wear a respirator mask while using alcohol inks. So stay with me and we can learn together. So the colors I'm using, it's Piñata inks, and the first one is Passion Purple, then Calabaza Orange, then Sunbright Yellow, and also Mantilla Black. I have a rocket air pump that I'm going to blow the ink with. I'm using a tile to paint on. I use 99% alcohol. I'm thinning out the alcohol inks a bit because when I was doing testing, I found them very concentrated and very thick. So I'm adding extra alcohol to the inks in my little containers. So thin them down a little bit. Not sure exactly the measurements of how much I used. I used more alcohol than ink. I think about a tablespoon, I guess, of alcohol to 3 or 4 squirts of the ink. So I'm just laying down each color and then I'm drying with my hair dryer in between. So here I'm adding ink, a good amount of alcohol over top of some of the ink and blowing out with my my air pump. And I just keep doing that all the way around till I like what I see. And then once I get that, I am going to dry it with the hair dryer. And I'm going to add a little bit of black in the middle. And then I'm going to be using my markers. So now I'm using my markers to just dot the center of the flower. First using white, then I used some black, and then I tried some gold, and then I'm using more white and black. Okay, so I think I'm done now. I'll show you a close-up. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.